What does ecosystem stability even mean? Well, it's a balance between interactions and disturbances. Think of it like a teeter-totter. When there's lots of interactions happening, like between predators and their prey, it can keep the population of each species in check. But when one species becomes too abundant, like when there's an overpopulation of deer, that can cause a collapse in the ecosystem. And that's what we call a disturbance. So an ecosystem is stable when there's a balance between these two things, between the interactions and the disturbances. But how do we measure that? Well, one way is to look at how much energy is flowing through the ecosystem. If there's a lot of energy flowing through, then that means that the system is stable. But if the energy flow slows down, then the system is more likely to collapse. And one way we can measure that is by looking at the amount of biomass in the system. So if the biomass is really high, that means that a lot of energy is flowing through, and that's a sign of a stable ecosystem. But if the biomass starts to decrease, then that's a sign that the ecosystem is less stable and it could collapse.